Hi, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. I'm here again today with another multi-step word problem. After we go over the word problem, I'll go over the problem from yesterday that I asked you to do, and of course, I will give you a new one to do today. I want to give a quick shout out to Mason. Mason submitted his poster to me today. It's an awesome picture. He did a wonderful job showing me all the ways he would celebrate Earth Day. So, awesome. Great job for you, Mason. All right, let's get started. There were 14 red notebooks and 16 blue notebooks in the box. The teacher wants to share the notebooks with herself and 4 teachers. How many notebooks will each teacher get? Again, let's go over it step by step, sentence by sentence, and then we'll solve to find the final answer. So I'm going to pick up my marker. First sentence. There were 14 red notebooks and 16 blue notebooks in the box. What's important? Of course, 14 red notebooks, 16 blue notebooks, and they were in the box. Next sentence, the teacher wants to share the notebooks with herself and 4 other teachers. Important there that they're going to share the notebooks with herself and 4 teachers. And then, of course, the sentence that's last is the question that we have to read in order to solve. How many notebooks will each teacher get? Okay, so let's begin with solving. There's 14 red and 16 blue. What are we going to do with 14 and 16? We're going to add them together. So here's 14, that's the red. 16, that's the blue. Starting in the ones place, 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1 in the tens, bring down the 0 in the ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives me 3. Make that look a little better. So there are 30 notebooks altogether, boys and girls. Now going on, it says the teacher wants to share those notebooks with herself and 4 teachers. So how many people are going to get these 30 notebooks, which they're going to share equally among them? If you said 4, that's not right. I want you to think again. If you said 5, you are correct, because you have to count the teacher herself and the 4 other teachers. So the 4 teachers plus the teacher herself gives us 5 people that have to share 30 notebooks, which we're going to share equally. So it says, how many notebooks will each teacher get? Well, we know there's 30, we know there's 5 teachers. What do you have to do with those 2 answers? And another important word that you should see in the question is each. We've talked about that all week. Each can tell us whether we need to add or if we need to multiply or divide. Really to multiply and divide. So which one do you think is most important? Which operation? If you said division, that is correct. So we're going to take 30 notebooks, divide them among 5 teachers, and each teacher will get, remember what we did yesterday, 1 factor times the factor 5 equals 30. If you want to look at division backwards, it's basically multiplication, isn't it? So what is the missing number here, or the missing factor? Or if we're looking at it as division, this is the quotient. Your answer should be 6, because 6 times 5 equals 30. So how many notebooks will each teacher get? 6. All right, so if I wanted to make this into a model, which I've been doing all week, I want to do that as well to show and prove my answer. There are 5 teachers, which basically are 5 groups, and each teacher is getting how many? 6. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have the same number of notebooks in each group because every group has to be equal, and I know that that's 6 each. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and I'm done. because there were only 30 notebooks to begin with. Okay, awesome job, everybody. So here is yesterday's work that I asked you to do. I said use these numbers at the top, 2, 5, 7, 1, and 2. I think yesterday I said the last number was 6, but it's 2. So they gave you two number 2s to use to solve this. And you could have made a couple different problems. Safe from my class and Mason from my class did submit to me their answers. So I want to show you what they did. And I'll zoom in here so you can see. Here are the digits that Safe decided to use. He used 73 minus, I want to make sure I'm saying it right, 51, and he got 22. That is correct. Then you had Mason, who used 37 minus 25, and he got 12. Notice Mason also used a different problem than Safe did, but they both worked because they used these digits to help them solve the problem. All right, I want to say for Mason's, he basically used every number that was put up here because, again, it was 2, 5, 7, 1, 3, and 2. And if I go back and look at his, he used the 2 twice, he used the number 1, he used the number 3, he used the number 5, and yeah, he basically used all the digits. So that was really good, Mason. But Safe, yours is correct too. So here is the mystery number for today. I went back to this, so I want you to take a look at it. You can pause the video if you need to, or just take a look at this one right now. It says, my number is greater than 10. Bullet 2, my number is even. Bullet 3, the digits in my number add up to 5. Next bullet, my number is less than 40. My number has a 3 in the tens place, or it says my number has 3 tens in total in it. That's the same as saying it's got 3 tens, okay? So what is my number? Again, look that over. Pause the video while you're working on it, and then figure out what the mystery number will be. And I will give that to you tomorrow on Friday. I've had several parents join me on Remind app. I still am getting parents joining. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you had the opportunity to get on. I give a lot of information on the Remind app. As long as you're reading that, you'll know what's going on. I had mentioned to you before that I am still working on those Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to be sending something out to all of the parents on Remind app so that you understand how to get on it, because it is on our website, the Lackawanna City School District website, and I really would like for you to join that as well so that I can start sending you things there because it's on our school website. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video today. Have a great Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.